Ever wish you could recreate the comfort and luxury of a five-star hotel bed at home? At Bedside Manor, we're here to show you just how easy it is. Follow these simple steps to create your own private retreat at home. Start with a fitted sheet, tucking everything in tight. Add your flat sheet, pattern facing down. Pull it all the way to the top of the mattress, ensuring it hangs evenly on all sides. Next, add your coverlet, light or heavy depending on the season, tucking it in neatly over the flat sheet for extra warmth and comfort. Then, arrange your pillows with care. Stack them neatly or stand them up against the headboard to create a sophisticated tiered look. Top it off with your duvet, folding it at the foot of the bed for a relaxed, elegant finish. Finally, create a custom look with one or two decorative accent pillows. Find everything you need at Bedside Manor, where luxury meets timeless elegance.